Hello YouTube, this is Gage's Vids 1, and many of you will probably be surprised to see a new upload on this channel because I think the last upload was 2 or 3 years ago, but that might change. I've gotten quite a few new cleaners and quite a few new ideas. Starting with this Hoover Stick Vac that I just picked up today. This was a thrift store find. The motor on it seems very worn out, even after going through a complete service, fully tearing it down, oiling everything, cleaning everything out. It just sounds angry. I think the bushings are worn beyond what oil is going to quiet down. So as you can see in front of us, there is the standard test carpet, and it's fairly dirty. I haven't cleaned it in a while. I doubt this is going to make much of a dent, as it is just a straight suction cleaner. But without further ado, let's get going. As you can see, throughout that test I had a little bit of trouble with the test carpet. It used to have some anti-slip stuff under it, but I recently removed it because it was making the floor sticky. Anyway, this did surprisingly better than I expected. Eventually I'll be doing a full review on it. This is just sort of a placeholder video. In fact, this was so last minute that the camera is a phone being held up by tape on the side of a plastic folding table. So I hope you enjoyed. There'll be more to come soon.